Hello everybody, and excuse the mess. Welcome to my garage. Anyway, I'll show you what I did. I'm not going to show you how I did it because there are plenty of videos online that will show you how to do it. I replaced the cat off of my bike with this little piece of steel here. It's literally like that long and like $200, and it saves so much room and weight. Not like it really matters, but yeah, changed it out. And you'll see that I have my Yoshi back on. That's because that son of a bitch is loud. Well, that's loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on. Baby, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant with the key. As I forgot what she sounded like and why I'm even using that one. So, by the way, you guys want some spam stickers? I've got the spam stickers. Yeah. I better open this because I'm gonna end up dying in here. Aya. 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 I would show you what it sounds like without it, but it's a pain in the ass to get everything unscrewed again. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's a pain in the ass to get everything unscrewed, which is why I'm not going to use that one. It still needs a tune, I think. Look at how it hesitates. It double revs. That's so weird. I might have to get it tuned, you guys. Okay, maybe you can hear me now. I'm gonna put her back together. I do want to take her for a spin before the rain comes back. All right. I have the fairings on. It took me like no more than 10 minutes actually. So I'm a little worried that they're not even on. Maybe I forgot the lights. Nope. Lights work. But yeah, the fairings are on. It's a lot faster putting them on than it was taking them off because I had no idea how to take them off. I think I'm going to try it without the Yoshi exhaust. I'm just going to take it for a spin real quick. Man, it just feels really smooth. Now, could it be a placebo? Maybe. We'll find out on the highway, I guess. Can't wait to get it to higher RPMs. Maybe it might scream like a banshee or a bat out of hell. I don't know. I kind of want to say it still sounds the same. Yeah, I want to say it sounds the same. Probably. Well, it sounds the same when it had the Toke exhaust and the cat. Is what I'm trying to say. It sounds the same that way. So right now, it has the Yoshi with no baffle and the M4 Y pipe. So maybe I do have to put on the Toke exhaust. So I'll take it for a spin, let it cool down, and then I'll put on the Toke exhaust. Actually, it sounds a lot louder up high. And it pulls a lot quicker too. Like the response is a lot faster. Let's see if I can pass these guys in the carpool lane. Ooh, the engine braking is not as good as it was. Okay, so it looks like I have maybe about an hour to maybe 2 hours of sunshine before it starts raining again. So I'm gonna let her cool down. I'll swap out the exhaust, the slip-on, and then we'll see what it's like. So, boop. I'm sorry guys, but it sounds like a lot more now. Just kidding, it's not on. Well, I'm ready to go if you are.
Oh lordy. This is going to be an interesting ride. It sounds f***ing amazing. It sounds so good. I'm not gonna lie, I actually love it. I don't know, I think I'm keeping it. Ooh, that sounds so good. I mean, it's probably not a good thing that it's popping like that, but it sounds amazing. There's gonna be so many dolphin bleeps in this video. It is so loud. It's not even funny. Yes, it is. It is funny. Oh my god, it's blaring. I'm gonna need earplugs. I am. Especially for long rides.
Alright. Because the Shoei helmet does muffle some of the noise, and so does my setup, I'm gonna turn it on like this so you can actually hear what it sounds like. And I think by now my neighbors are probably really pissed off, and that's too bad. It's pretty damn loud. Okay, that's enough because it's loud. Holy shit.